Welcome to my channel. I'm your girl, Busy with the Farm Lady. I want to say thank you to my subscriber, and if this is your first time, you're warmly welcome on this channel. We talk about fish farming, we talk about aquaculture, we talk about farming, anything in between and whatever is related to farming. So we have so many farm tools that we do use on our farm. One of them is the scale. The scale helps us to make informed decision about the quantity of inputs that we use on our farm and also the quantity of produce that we do produce on our farm. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. There's different farm tools that we do use. So today I'm going to talk about the scale. The scale is one of the important tools that we use to weigh our inputs, our produce, and all that. But before that, there are three types of scale. We have the balancing scale, which is used in the butcher market. We have the weight scale, which we use to measure our weight and also to measure the weight of the babies in the hospital. And thirdly, we have the weighing scale. The weighing scale is what we use in weighing foodstuff or any other input or ingredient. That's what we use the weighing scale for. And also there's different types of weighing scale. We have the one that hang and we have that one that stand. So today I'm going to show you how you can use this type of scale to weigh and get accurate information. And also in this scale there is different reading. So in this scale we have both the reading of the kilogram and in gram. And remember, 1,000 gram make 1 kilo. So let's go. So when you want to weigh, first of all, ensure that you calibrate your scale to 0. Calibrate it to 0. This is the calibrated scale. So here is the node that you use. So ensure you calibrate it to 0. Then after that you put the bowl or the container that you want to measure the substance in, and also calibrate it to 0 as well. Because why do you have to calibrate it to 0? To remove the weight of the container so that you can have correct the correct weight of the substance or whatever you are weighing. So I'm going to weigh my feed. This is fish feed and it is 3 mm and it is a blue stock feed. It has high quality of protein, of food protein in it. So now I'm going to weigh this feed to know the exact quantity of this feed. So now I'll pour the feed in the bowl and ensure that it's up its level. So you can see this feed is 0.4 kilogram. 0.4 kilogram. And this is 400 gram. If we are talking about gram, in kilo it's 0.4 kilogram, and in gram it is 400 gram. So thank you very much for watching, and also remember to always calibrate your reading to 0 whenever you place the container before ever putting the substance that you want to weigh. I hope I was able to teach you something. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you like to see this type of content, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So bye bye, see you in my next video.